Now let's go to our new drawing board and create our story levels. Now you go down to create your story level. What you do is you move to your ground level, right click on it, go down to story setting, click on story setting, and the dialog box open. The next thing to do is to create your ground level, and to do that you simply click on insert below. Once you click on insert below, change the value of the ground level to 600 because it has to be 600 to your DPC level. Just type in your 600 and then type the name ground level, then change the name of the ground floor to DPC. Then after your DPC, the next thing you have is your window sill level. Window sill. Then after your window sill, the next thing you will see is your lintel. Lintel. After your lintel, you can see after lintel you have lintel top. You have to click on insert above. Then this number 3 have to be your lintel top. You write in the name lintel top. Then after your lintel top, you check the next thing you see in our original drawing board. If you check our original drawing board, what you see there, after lintel top, the next thing you see is ceiling level. After ceiling level you have your roof level. So let's go back to our new drawing board. So lintel top, the fourth will have to be our ceiling level. Ceiling level. After your ceiling level, the next thing is your roof level. Roof level. After roof level, just add additional height above it. Then the next thing we'll have to do is to give the height difference. Now at your DPC level, from your DPC level to your sill level, how many blocks do you want to have from your DPC level to sill level? Some used to do like lay 4 course of block, and this 4 course of block gives you approximate value of 1 meter. But here I want to lay 2 course of block before I have my lintel level. I want to have a tall window that can permit enough ventilation into the building. So what I do is I will just type in my 500, that is 2 course of block, 500. Then from these 2 course of block, I will attain my sill level of window. Then from sill level of window to lintel level, how many blocks? Now what would determine that will be how many blocks do I want to have from my DPC level to lintel level, like 9 course of block. I want to have 9 course of block. If you want to, 9 course of block will give you just a minimum of 7 feet door height. And if you want to go for extra height door like 2.4, door like 2.4, you have to lay like 10 course of block. But here I want to lay 9 course of block. Now out of these 9 course of block, I've already removed 2 course of block for sill level. So what I'll be left with is 7 course of block. Now this 7 course of block will give me 1750. How do you know that? 250 times 7, multiply it, you will have 1750. I'll type in my 1750 to lintel top. Now what thickness of lintel do I want to have? You can do 225, but usually I don't use 225. I used to add that mortar level that will be laid on top of the lintel before you put block on it. Now that mortar level I used to give it 25 mm. Now 25 mm added to 225 will give me my 250. I will just type in my 250 here. Now when I have done that, to my lintel top, how many blocks do I want to lay before I get to my ceiling level? I want to lay 3 course of block. That 3 course of block will give me 750. That is 250 times 3. I'll have my 750. Now when I type in my 750, I'll attain my ceiling level. Now at my ceiling level, how many course of block do I want to have before I get to my roof level, from which I start having my roof fascia? I want to lay 2 course of block. That 2 course of block is 500. I will just type in my 500 and I will attain to roof level. This is my roof level. Now I don't have to give height of roof because I use the angle of the slope of the roof determines the height for me. So I have to stop at this level. I don't have to give it height. I have to leave these default value that I left here. I'll just come back to the ground level and click